What's up, YouTube? This is high quality.
Check this out.
And scene.
when we showed up to the camp, we replaced the thermostat because the old one was a piece of shit. And now it moves so much air off the radiator that it fills the cabin with hot ass air, and then it fills the trunk with hot ass air and just circulates through it. So it was about 105 degrees driving up to, we drove up to Sturgis, South Dakota today.
To get our qualifying miles in, since we didn't think the other 1,600 were good enough.
Yeah, so we drove 600 miles round trip. So what we discovered when we got to the South Dakota border, when we shut the car off, it stopped running. Like, it wouldn't start forever. What we're pretty sure happened was so much hot air was coming off the radiator through the whole car that it was heating up the gas and overheating our fuel pump, so it would just quit, take a shit on us. So what we did to fix that was Jake bought
Hey, so this is where our recording wound up just taking a poop on us, because, you know, why wouldn't everything go wrong on this day? So I'll just explain. Basically, to cool the trunk, but the fuel compartment down, Jake bought like 5 or 6 bags of ice and wrapped it around the fuel tank, and then we brought the spare tire with us just in case something happened, like something normal, because, you know, why would anything normal happen to us? But yeah, so we basically just put the spare tire down and then lashed the trunk around the spare tire to allow the hot air to escape, because it was about 105 degrees outside. So basically, we fixed the car again and caused more issues as usual. So remember, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.